Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY here. Just had the front two tyres changed on this Ford Galaxy 68 plate, 2.3 litre. Tyre pressure sensors on. It's to say that it's been done and we need to reset it now. So this is the owner's manual book, which tells you how to reset the tyre pressure sensors. So after you change it, you go through the settings and press OK button, driver assist, press OK, and then the tyre monitor, press and hold OK button until confirmation appears. Alternatively, if your vehicle has a tyre pressure monitoring system, reset button, press and hold the button until the confirmation appears. So we'll go out to the car and we'll go through that menu and hopefully that'll work. Right then, we're just going to go through the menu to reset the tyre pressure sensors. So basically what you do is, let's try and get both in at the same time. So what you want is driver assist. Go up, tyre monitor, tyre pressures, well there are your tyre pressures there. So you can see that, so do with them what you will. Slightly off at the back. Tyre reset. Okay, so hold OK to reset tyre pressure. Tyre pressure reset. And that's all you have to do, and that's done. It's very, very simple, not like some other companies who you have to go through so many different messing around. But that's done, so hopefully when I start the engine I won't have an icon. So there's nothing up there anyway. So yeah, that's done.
There's a suggestion that
right, I've just driven it around. I've topped up the tyre pressures and the actual icons disappeared. So our TPSs are all right. That was quite easy for Ford Galaxy. Ford Galaxy 2018 2.3. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.